Hi guys, good morning and happy Monday po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, sinarado lang muna natin yung ating garage. Pupunta tayo ng Home Depot kasi magbibili ako ng what do you call that dear? Brown paper. Para siyang fillers for my, basta sa may ginagamit ko siya pang shipping.
Like painter's paper.
Painter's paper. I woke up at 3 o'clock and then uminom lang ako ng gamot ko and then natulog ulit ako and nagising na lang ulit ako ng 6 a.m. So it's very early right now. It's 6:53. 6 a.m. ata nagbubukas na yung Home Depot. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na yung Home Depot ay nagbubukas ng alas 6 ng umaga. Dahil pala maraming mga contractors, mga workers ang nagsisimulang magtrabaho very early in the morning.
Parking.
Wow. No consideration. I want the the thin one.
That's gonna be the red one. Mill.
Ay, dara! Jesus, darling. Dara! Okay, so ito na lang yung kukunin namin, 12 pieces. Mas makasave kasi kami kasi from $4.98, $4.23 na lang siya. So parang $50 and then 12 pieces na ganito. Sandali, sana hindi mahulog yung aking cellphone. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Alright, tapos na kami. Pauwi na tayo guys. Pansin ko lang may mga tao na umaaligid-aligid dito sa Home Depot. Sabi ko, sino yung mga yan? Kasi every time na pumupunta kami ng Home Depot or mga Lowe's, ganyan, mga ganitong klaseng store, maraming mga tao na nag-aabang, nakaupo dito.
I don't know exactly what you call it.
Basta naghihintay daw sila guys na parang may kukontrata sa kanila.
Wow, look at the line to get to the
May
light.
kukuha sila. Allah, wow. Oh no.
Oh no, it's red.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa lugar kung saan kami palaging nag-diving or not diving, scavenging.
Cabbaging.
Ngayon titignan natin kung may mga tinatapon sila na mga gamit kasi Monday na ngayon yung pick up. Actually, usually Sunday pa lang nagtatapon na yan sila ng mga items na hindi na nila ginagamit. Ayan, so ito po yung kanilang community. Ayan. So far, it's clear.
Very clear.
So tignan natin, usually may mga tinatapon sila na couch, mga bed. Okay, that's good kasi marami tayong space sa car natin ngayon. Walang laman, hindi na grocery. So tignan natin, hopefully may mga toys, mga books, mga clothes, mga shoes tayong makikita. Or even mga kitchen stuff.
Furniture.
Furniture ba ito? Looks like this furniture. Ay, oo nga. Hala, that's a good one, ha? Hala, that's a good one, darling. Oo. Wow. Tinapon lang ng ating kapitbahay. Ay, maganda siya, darling. Perfect siya. Ayan. Unang araw sa balik pamamasura ni Johannes andyan. Unang araw sa balik pamamasura ni Johannes andyan. Nakakita kaagad tayo ng furniture. Ay, bongga. Furniture, baka may mga pera na laman ito. Kung may table pa, pero yung table is na siya, very na siya, rustic.
What about the top drawer?
This one, top drawer.
You don't see the handle?
For computer.
For a computer.
Computer table. Oh, that's
The other one
nice.
have one too? Yep, exactly the same.
Yeah. Oh wow, it's computer table guys, tinapon lang nila. O sabi ni Jan, hindi na namin kailangan. Kasi magpapaguot lang yan sa bahay natin. Sana may mas mahanap pa tayo na kailangan talaga natin sa bahay. Minsan naman may mga nahahanap kami. Kagaya no fruit picker, nahanap namin dito. May mga small boxes, pero I don't know. Those are just boxes. Ay, hello guys, for our Kitty Lovely guys, oh. Hala, tinapon na nila ito. Uy, mukhang maganda pa siya, dear. Looks like it's very nice pa, ha?
Still in good condition.
Ang good condition pa siya. Ayan, oh. Hala ba, ano kaya ang nangyari sa kanilang ano, dear? What happened to their cat? Ayan, oh, ang ganda pa talaga nito, guys. Para ito sa ating Kitty Lovely. Oh, maganda talaga for our Kitty Lovely, darling, no?
Which one do you want?
I think this one is better, no?
Cat
Tanim kami
tree.
dito. Cat tree. Ang ganda pa, oh.
Is that the one you want?
Yeah, looks like. Where would we put it? In the back?
Outside.
In the back, no? Are you sure the cat will, here?
I have no idea.
Okay, kukunin ko na ito, guys. This one is good also, no? But, ay, it's wet, darling.
Yeah, it's been outside.
Eh? Ay,
Oh,
it's not that heavy. Uy,
get the kitty litter. And what's in the bag?
ay, kitty litter.
What's in the bag? Anything?
Oo nga, no?
Someone already
Litter
looked.
box. Ay, wala, kitty litter. Hala, ano kaya nangyari sa pusa nila, dear? I don't know what happened to their cat.
Right.
Kasi bakit nila tinapon pati kitty litters?
Maybe there was food here before too. Push it.
Alam nyo, hindi kami bumibili ng ganun kasi mahal. That's expensive, dear, no?
Yeah.
Like $200 or
I don't know. I've never bought one.
$100. Feeling ko mahal yun na klase. I think something happened with their cat because even the litter they're throwing it. Ayan, oh, very shiny chair. Ayun, guys, bakit nila tinapon? There is a tape. Maybe it's cracked or something. That's what I can think of. Ayan, oh. Oo nga. Ang ganda pa sana ng ano na to. Chair na to. There's crack there. No, but it's very good one sana.
One day it was good.
Ayan, oh. Sobrang ganda. Uy, ang ganda nito, oh. Napulot na parang hindi tayo kakayanin, dear.
Tried to fix it. It's not fixable.
Oh, it's not fixable. Oh, sayang. Maganda sana. May nadaanan ulit tayo, guys, na couch. Kaso nga lang sobrang luma na niya. Okay, go. Hindi naman sa lahat ng ayun, nag-aabang si Madam, oh. Mayroon na tayong kalaban. Ayan si Ma'am, kalaban natin na namamasura din. She's the lady. Kala ko Pinoy siya. Something like a pot. Ito si Sir, oh, magtatapon si Sir. Hindi pala. So hindi lang naman kami yung namamasura dito, guys, no. Meron ding mga namamasura dito na ibang lahi din. May mga Amerikano din na namamasura dito. Inaayos nila, kinukumpuni nila at saka binibenta nila online. Yun po yung ginagawa nila. I think the lady is already here. Nope. Ang ganda ng ang community dito. Mayayaman yung mga tao dito eh. Kaya mas pinili namin dito na mamasura. At saka hindi sila, sanay na sila sa mga namamasura dito, guys. Hindi sila yung parang hini-head to foot ka kapag ka namamasura ka. Mas gusto pa nila na mamasura ka. Mas gusto nila na may kumuha doon sa gamit na tinapon nila, especially kapag ka gumagana pa.
But obviously, it looks broken because
Meron kami nakita dito, parang swing set. Ayun nga, pambata. This is toys as well. But they are
toy
already
box and very beat up.
very beat up. Like a grocery cart. Balikan natin yung mga pants. Kasi magagamit yun eh. Maybe we can ship it to the Philippines. Because some of the pants here, they're really using a very expensive ones. Yan, tingnan natin ito, ha. May nakita ako dito eh. You know, pants.
Bet they're no good.
We'll see. Ayan oh, mamasura si Jan guys ng mga pans. Ayun oh, na oh, pwede pa na limpyuhan ko eh. Oh, kani oh, pwede pa na limpyuhan. We can fix that. Na, oh, kunin mo yan darling. Ay, gusto ko. Ay, goy, may taklob pag yun. Oh, very good. Pwede kasi natin yun ipadala sa province. Pwede natin yun ipadala sa province, guys. Perfect for the province there, no? Is it heavy duty? Is it a good brand or
I don't know. Looks okay. Just
Uh-huh.
needs to be cleaned.
cleaned? We have that. Cleaner. Ito na, guys. Hat cleaner. Pan. Which is good. We can still clean it. Oh, it's tools. Of course, our cut tree. Needs to dry and clean a little bit. Kakabalik lang namin dyan. Hugasan natin kaagad itong kalahat na nakuha natin. Tignan natin. Okay, tignan natin. Look closely kung gaano ito effective. Oh wow. Ah, it's really hard.
Need some sand.
Ah, nilagyan ng salt ni Jan.
For abrasive.
Yun na, ito na. Ito na guys, the last step.
Rinse it out, yeah. Oven and grill cleaner. Very toxic.
Ito na nga pala guys, yung nakuha namin na kawali sa kalsada. So, linisin na natin. Master cleaner talaga itong Banami. Ayan oh. So, okay na rin siya. Okay na rin. Pero mas gusto ko yung Banami. Ah, it's really hard. Even for Banami, it's really hard to remove, ha?
Sand. Just set it down. It's gonna spray.
Show it.
Oven and grill cleaner. Very toxic.
Eto lang pala ang katapat. Ayan, tignan ninyo. Sobrang kinis na. Oh, parang bago na siya guys. Wow! Sino magkaakala? Wait lang ha. Tapusin ko lang to. Wow! Sino ang mag-aakala guys? Okay? Meron pang konti. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng Banami. Wow guys. Tignan ninyo. Nakuha namin sa kalsada. From sobrang pangit. Tignan ninyo ngayon. Sobrang ganda na. Wow. Okay. Lagyan natin ng sabon. Final wash. Ala ka, squeaky clean na siya talaga guys. Ayan oh. Huy! Hala ka, parang bago, dear. Wow! Like brand new. Hindi lang talaga sila mahilig maghugas dito. Kaya pagkatapos nilang magluto, tinatapon na kaagad nila. Nag-aaksaya lang talaga sila. Ito, I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher. Oh, sobrang ganda pa talaga niya, guys. Ayan, oh. Hala ka, wala ka talagang makitang, oh wow. Brand spanking new.
Jackpot.
Jackpot na naman tayo dito. Oh, ayan oh. Sobra. Ayan. Kaya ipagpapatuloy pa namin itong ginagawa namin. Kahit na may mga, syempre may mga tumataas talaga ng kilay. Yung Hanes, kaya nyo namang bumili ng bago na ganyan. Bakit kayo ibibigay ninyo sa inyong family? Oo, totoo naman talaga yun guys. Kaya naman talaga namin na bumili ng bagong ganito. Pero, Kung may makukuha tayong libre, bakit hindi? 'Di ba? Libre na yan eh. Ayan. So, that's it.
Nagmukhang bago at pwede ka nang manalamin. Eto na nga pala yung nakita namin kanina sa kalsada na tinapon lang nila guys. Pagkatapos nilang magluto, parang ayaw na nilang hugasan. Kaya naman sa tulong nitong dalawang ito na cleaner guys, talaga nga namang jackpot! At nagmukhang bago. At parang hindi pa nagamit. Oh, wow! Ipadala natin to sa Pinas.
Hi guys, nagbabasa ako ng inyong mga comments dito sa YouTube and shout out kay Jane Kaitom from California. Nag-order siya sa akin ng 8 pieces na Your Highness Collagen Soap. Sana po magustuhan po ninyo at pag nagustuhan po ninyo, makapag-reorder po kayo in the future and feeling ko mga October or November pa po darating yung mga bago nating stocks ng Your Highness Collagen Soap. Thank you for purchasing!
Guys, eto na ilalagay ko na sa likod ng bahay natin. Itong nakuha natin na cut tree. Isa lang yung kinuha namin guys kasi ang tawag nito, hindi na magkasya sa sasakyan namin kung kukunin namin yung dalawa. So ito na siya. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa likod. Yan. Okay, medyo mabigat lang siya ha. May kabigatan lang siya guys. Kitty Province, Kitty Midnight. Come here. Siguro doon sa gilid ko siya ilagay, no? Ayan. Dito ko muna ilagay. Ay, ang ganda! Ang ganda-ganda. Kitty Province, Kitty Midnight. Here's your tree house. Tree house ba ang tawag dito, guys? Cut tree. Come here! Ayan, oh. Midnight, come here. Midnight. Come here. Come here ba? Midnight. You see this? Huh? Do you see that? Yeah. What is that? What is that? Giamoy-amoy niya guys. Giamoy-amoy. What is that? Ayan na. Hala. Oh. Sige, jump. Jump. Jump in there. Midnight. Sige, good. Sige. Giamoy-amoy niya kasi naninibago pa yan sila. Sige. That's your house. Sige, come. Climb. Wow, hala gusto niya guys. Wow. Ayun, dito na yan sila oh. Matutulog yan sila dito. Ay, maliit. Hindi sila pwede dyan. Oy, pang baby lang pala ito. Hindi man sila magkasya dyan guys. Saan sila matutulog? Pang baby. Nge. Look his back. Look his back. Oh, look his back. Look his sweet. Oh, come here. Oh, you're so sweet. Dito pa. Dati, natutulog yan dito sa province. Kaso nga lang, hindi namin yan siya pinapastay dito overnight kasi alas 3 pa lang na madaling araw, nagningiyaw na yan siya, lumalabas na siya. Ngayon, I'm very happy na nakampante na ulit siya. Dito na ulit siya sa amin. All of a sudden, you're so sweet. Wow. Hi guys. So we decided not to sell it to the store, right, dear? Because why?
It's not worth the trouble.
That's right. How much is the gas going to the store? So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna ship it. There's one person who will buy this one, but I will only send the green ones. Hawakan natin si Tita Canlas. Hello, where is your face? Oh, I thought you're playing.
Say hi to my friend.
Hello.
Kamusta na? Hawain niyo dyan.
Hi, this is Tita Canlas. Finally. Gusto mo rin ng...
Guys, tanggalin. Ayoko marami. Tanggalin sa tangkay. Lagay sa ziplock. I like seeing when you are cooking.
Oh.
Thank you. I am always cooking.
Especially the chicken wings.
Ah, yes, they're delicious.
$15? $10?
O sige, okay lang. Sabihin mo lang sa shipping.
Oo.
Gusto mo, dagdagan mo pa ng manggang hilaw. Huwag lang
Oo.
avocado kasi
I think.
bumili ang tama ko ng avocado tsaka hindi ako masyado malas sa avocado eh.
Oo. Only one? Nag-alaga ka ng isa lang. Isa lang siya.
Oo. Ngayon, matanda na kasi ako. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, hindi na dati noon, pag-uwi ko, trabaho ulit.
Oo.
Kaya ngayon, kita ko, maliit. Maliit ang kita ko, hindi tulad noon. Talagang 2,000-3,000 sa isang linggo. Okay na. Ngayon,
Oo.
wala pa 1,000 sa linggo.
Yun, ay. Okay, that's good. One. With a big box.
Gusto ko nakikita sa inyo, pag namimitas kayo mga magluluto ka, kukuha ka ng gulay sa garden mo eh.
Aha.
Sarap tignan.
Ayun. Maybe $25 including shipping.
Okay.
Okay.
I-sell ko mamaya pag...
It's a
i-sell ko
deal.
mamaya pagdating ko sa ano.
It's a deal.
Okay?
Okay.
Pagdating namin sa bahay, sell ko. Ha?
Oh, no problem. No
Thank you
rush.
very much.
No rush.
Thank you.
Bye, Jan.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Jan. Bye, Hayanes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching
Okay,
always. She's
Bye-bye.
always watching.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
So I just kink, kink, kink.
Aha. Kink, kink, kink. She's actually one of our avid supporters from Illinois. Ma'am Tita Canlas. She always purchase bags, soap, whatever. Blender.
Blender.
Whatever we sell. She purchased. So we're gonna give her a lot of malunggay.
Oh, the blender's the best.
It's the best. Actually, it's really a
There's
bargain.
No struggle.
It's a bargain. Ay, dear, you know what? Somebody is looking for that too. We're gonna cut it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that enough? You
That's
want-
enough. And then, hindi masasayang guys ito because we're gonna cut it
In a minute.
in a
I'm gonna
minute.
Put this in a bag.
Okay.
This should go on top. You don't want to crush it.
Right.
Oh, well, her suggestion.
Is individually wrapped. Ayan na guys. Here, at least, gusto niya pala ng mango din guys. So, kukuha na lang din ako ng mango. 2 piraso lang kasi sobrang bigat na nito. And then, ipa-priority ko na lang siguro ito guys. Kasi, pag hindi natin siya i-priority, baka mahilog na yung mangga at masira na yung mga star fruits. Ito, sobrang laki ko. May isa pa dito. Sobrang laki. Ayun. Ayan, 2 malalaki guys. Yung isa is hinog na eh. Hinog siya sa puno. Ayan, pwede na to. Green pa siya guys. Pwede na to. Ayan oh. 2 yung nakuha ko. This is for you, Tita Canlas of Illinois. Like this. We need to have a sticker that one is doing.
Oh, measure.
Okay. Yun yung ipapadala natin. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin niya dito. Gagawin niyang juice ata ito. I think she's gonna make a juice. Oh my God! You removed my name?
She's probably driving.
Are you driving?
No, I'm still in the parking lot.
Ah, this is Johannes. You forgot me already.
Uy!
Come here.
Ilan?
You didn't
Oh my goodness.
you didn't write my name in your phone book?
Oh, there is... Naba yan. Taka magkalay mo eh.
Ano man ka, who is this?
Di naman ko sa kuang kotse.
Ah, oh. You can pick up the star fruits.
Oh, kana pwede ako manghingi ng buko, mayroon kayong buko?
Yes.
Okay. Right now, busy ako dahil tika Tawag lang ko sa iyo mo, ha? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you later.
Here, there's a text from Erlinda Claire, and she received already the malong, and the mango is still hard.
Oh, that's
It's
good.
still hard pa daw, guys.
Wow, good.
Erlinda Claire, thank you so much. And then she said, I will send you some gifts too from Houston, Texas.
Wow.
Hi, shout out Ma'am
Very
Erlinda
nice.
Claire
Sweet.
from Houston, Texas.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So ito na yung box ni Ma'am Tita Claire with mangoes, with star fruits, and
Malunggay.
malunggay. So ito na yung natira natin kanina sa moringa. We will send some to our kababayan so they can plant also. Maybe a little longer, darling. Longer, yep. Yep, that's good. That's good. You gonna give a lot? Ayan, ipadala natin ito sa kanila. Oy, this is perfect also dear, ha?
Yeah.
To put our thing. Okay, papadala natin to kay Madam. Nanghingi siya ng
How many pieces? How many cupcakes?
Let's do one. So the other one wants seeds. One and one. Ayan. And then, ito, mga seeds, guys. Laya na siya. That's good.
All right.
Grabe, ang init. Init talaga. Okay, continue tayo sa pagpack, guys. Hi, guys. Another news, dear, from Ma'am Marinette Angeles. She reordered 5 more pieces of Your Highness collagen soap, and she said, love the collagen soap very much. My skin is flawless and glowy. Congratulations to your Korean products. More power to your business and vlogs. Been following you for a long time. We're from New Jersey. Marinette Angeles reordered 5 pieces. Alam
Thank you,
niyo, guys,
Marinette.
there's a lot of people reordering, and even their husbands are loving it. Our Korean soap. So this is really a keeper. So even if we are going to sell whitening soap in the future with glutathione or what, we are still gonna stick with this. This is gonna be our pioneer, pilot, what do you call that, soap. Like, this is the face of Your Highness.
Yes.
So 5 pieces dear for Marinette Angeles, New Jersey. Thank you very much, Madam. Janet Baluyot. Janet. 5 pieces. Janet Baluyot. From Tutsi or Emily Cervantes, San Francisco, California. 10 pieces. Reorder. Sabi niya dito, I love the smell. Ano to? Langga, I received the bags. No, not that one. I love the mild scent and there's no strong. Just like, I will not tell the brand, ha? Like this, oh. She said, just like this brand, it's very strong. Which is true.
Oh, not even close to the same. No, that
Oo.
that soap is very
Kasi
hard on the skin.
Ayoko naman na manira ng sabon. Pero ito talaga, tama talaga siya. Available to sa US din yung soap na to. So, ayan, isog daw, mga lisbo daw. Ito talaga. Thank you sis for reordering 10 pieces. Ito na, gagawa na kita ng shipping label. May eroplano na ali-aligi dito sa bahay namin. Tignan natin ha. Ayan oh, halaka. Asan sila darling? Ayan oh, maaligid-aligid. Eroplano. Ayun oh, may mga pulis dito. Halaka. Maaligid-aligid sila no. They're here no. I see some police there oh. No? Ay oo. Uy, sarado mo ang pintuan. Baka pumasok sa bahay. Nakakatakot. I'm happy pag may mga nagre-reorder, guys. That means it's very good. So, effective. Tutsik. Tutsik. Janet Baluyot. Mga 50 plus na siguro ito si Ma'am Marinette Angeles. I am very happy to hear that, sis. Actually, it's not only you, ha. That's reordering. A lot of you are reordering. That's why I'm very happy. Dear, I think you didn't hear. She said that she likes ours. She has a sensitive skin and she likes our soap.
No.
Flawless.
I like it too.
Reeling product of Korea.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Next time, we're gonna look into the sunscreen or serum. But pupunta ako doon eh. Kasi gusto ko talaga na makita kung paano nila pinrases or oo. So,
Okay, your seeds
your seeds are in.
they're on the way.
Appreciate it.
Sure.
Yeah.
I hope you have great success with the seeds too.
Oh yeah, because you're...
I know. My God, I always watch vlogs. My God, Midnight Province.
Oh,
I always watch your vlogs.
Oh, thank you. Midnight and yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yet, when you were in the Philippines,
Mhm.
you have like, Kubo there.
Yes, we have Kubo. Yeah,
Yeah,
That
that's
needs-
a plus.
needs to
Yeah,
be renovated.
Already needs to be renovated. Already.
With the farm, that's the best thing, really. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Ay, where are you in the Philippines?
With Rica Soto. We don't have province in the Philippines.
Ah,
My late
Pasig.
mom,
She's in Metro Manila.
Metro Manila.
Mm-mm.
yeah.
NCR. Who
The
is
only
this?
place that-
The one just before.
The one just before? Oh, I forgot now.
The only places that we went for province, Bohol and Bulacan. My late mom is Bulacan.
Oh, that's 6 pieces there.
Yeah.
Oh, Ellen Velasco. Thank you so much, sis, ha? We
Thank
will
you.
finish this.
Yeah, I know you're busy. Thank you again.
Appreciate you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Congrats again. Good luck.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Purchasing the soap.
Yes.
Up around, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye
Bye-bye.
for now.
Bye. Thank you. Take care.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Wow, I'm happy to hear that. Fair skin and sensitive skin. Ah, it helped her a lot with her, but I will not claim it because she said that she has like eczema or something. What she said? Dark spot, pimples. Yeah. I don't want to be run out. Very effective on my oily skin with this hot weather in California. Ellen Velasco. She has oily skin. Wow. A lot of good, ano talaga, dear, no? A lot of good feedback
Very good
talaga.
feedback. Yes.
Thank you so much from Ellen Velasco. Okay, 6 pieces for her. Oh, I think this one is hers. I haven't, hold on. I see is available 6 pieces. So,
You're not hungry?
I only want maybe 1 or 2 slices. 2 slices.
How can you not be hungry?
3 the most.
In the province, you can't wait to eat.
Uh-huh.
Here, you're not hungry.
Because I want to work.
What happened?
It's jet lag. That's happened. Ito na po ang sariling pizza ni Jan. Sariling gawa.
See how it's very resistant? It
Because
keeps bouncing back.
Be-
So, anyway, yeah. With your fresh dough, you do that. See, it's very springy. It's gonna relax. The next time I come back, it will perfectly.
how many minutes?
You ask a lot of questions.
I'm Jude.
Mm-hmm.
I'm your Jude here.
Mm-hmm. You're my tail for sure, yeah. So you can stop recording because the stone's not close. So I'll have that. I'll have some black olives left over from last night.
It's very thin, huh? And then it doesn't break. You're making the same.
Making it what?
You're making the same or different?
Different.
Okay. Mushroom and pepperoni.
No.
Ooh, black olives left over from tacos last night with mushrooms. Sounds ooh la la.
Always ooh la la.
Make me feel la 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 la, the colors that you need.
Well. Oh. Oh, oh. Wow. Look at those. Oi. Oi, oi.
Can I squeeze any more in there? Sure I can. go see how our other pizza is.
Getting there.
What? Pepperonia. That's good. Buttercup. Wow, 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 wow.
Lamig kayo. For merienda.
Wow. Fresh from Pugon pa ito guys, so medyo mainit pa siya. Ito may dalawang pepperoni. Mainit pa siya. Later na lang.
Later?
It's still hot.
Howdy hot.
Later na ako. Dito muna ako. One at a time na ako.
Perfect crust.
Pag kumakain ako sa restaurant, hindi ko nauubos talaga itong crust niya. They call it pizza bone.
Bones of the pizza.
Hindi ko siya nauubos. Itong pizza na dyan, simot sarap ko talaga siya. Ito na guys. Ooh, pepperoni and cheese. Wow. So good. This is my number one. The vegetable is not so much. My number two. Malamang, dalawa lang naman ito. Definitely, second yung vegetable.
You see?
I said this is my number one. Hindi ko bibigyan siya.
Tacos for dinner. They get the beef, the shells, the olives, the lettuce, tomato, onion, garlic, and onion for the beef. And I'm going to get started now. For the cheese. Bit of oil. I'm gonna add my beef. Some salt, pepper, oregano. The steam really keeps it from coming out. Paste. I'm going to put some tomato paste in the beef. I think I missed the whole show. Veggies. This is sour cream. Wow, that's some of the... It pops open in two places because it's pleated. They look very nice. There's none broken so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will probably be enough for both of us. So at the end of the day, you got the sour cream, our shredded cheese, our taco shells, our whole assortment of veggies to go on top of the tacos, our taco beef. Very simple process. I just hang them right on the rack in the oven. That will not take very long. You have to be careful because they will burn. Even at 350, it only takes a couple minutes. You'll be able to see the oils inside the shell start to bubble. It's time to take them out. So literally maybe 2 or 3 minutes. They're hot. I don't know if you can see it. They're glistening. The oil's coming out. That means they're ready. They heat up very quickly. You only have to get them hot, and they return right back to the way they were when they were first made. Voila.
Mas masarap pa nga ito guys kaysa sa mga tacos na nabibili sa labas. Mm.
Always.
Wow! Almost done with
And the
the
beautiful part
Mm-hmm.
is the salad left on the plate.
Yes.